Alright folks, here we are again. Beautiful day out today for kiln wrecking. I got a face mask. It seems to work better than my old P100. Anyway, there's where we are. There's all the crap inside down there. There's a shitload of brick on the ground. Got more in the truck up there. Got more in the van. So, that's how we are right now. It's only been a few days. Pretty hard work though. But it all comes apart pretty easy, really. Neat thing about using fireclay and sand or kaolin and fireclay and grog. It doesn't melt, and it doesn't stick like cement. Alright, and I can reuse it. I must be crazy thinking about using this stuff over and building another one. I'm just stupid thinking about hauling it 500 miles. Kind of wonder sometimes, is it all really worth it in the long run? Later. Alright, folks, here we go. We got some more done. I've been just pushing all that loose stuff down inside the chimney. See? And it all comes off pretty easy. A lot easier than that when I'm in it, doing it. Better get with my mask on there though. We haul them up in a wheelbarrow, 25 at a time. So far we got, these are buckets of lag in there mostly. One of them's got some old kiln stuff in it. All laggy kind of stuff could get ground up maybe, or we'll just pitch it, I don't know. It's like 45 pounds roughly each. So what, 300 pounds? Call that for the trailer. And then got the inside there. Then I just dig it out of there. Start getting some of these insulators out of here too. Get that blanket off. Then I got some pallets over at my buddies that put a little over 2,000 pounds on one of them so far. Couple, forgot how many brick, couple of 300, 4 or 5, I don't know. So anyway, that's where we're at right now. Later. Well, hey there folks, just before we lose all our light, I thought I'd take a shot here of where we're stashing the brick. It's my buddy Dan's camp just over the other way. There's where we cut some of that tamarack. And I got a few pallets Rick gave us. I'll stack them here for a while. And we'll see what happens. These are about a ton a piece right now. I think 2140, something like that, as far as how much they weigh. Anyway. Anyway, that's it. See you later.